Hello, hi everyone. This is Sahitya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to import data to SQL Server Cassandra from CSV files or text files, and also how to export data from Cassandra. First of all, let's see what is data import and data export. Data import is nothing but importing data from a CSV file or a text file to an already existing table in Cassandra or SQL shell. For this import process, we use this following command. It is nothing but copy and the name of the key space from which we are importing data or file, and the table name to which we are going to import from, and the path of the file, the location of the file, with header equals to true. We should keep this header equals to true to import the column names, else the command will not run successfully. And now let's see what is data export. Data export means copying or sending data from the existing table in SQL shell to a CSV file or a text file. For exporting the data, we use the following command. It will be same as data import command, and the minute change here is it will be 2 because we are exporting it from SQL shell to, we should give the path of the location where we want to store that file, and it is also with header equals to true to export the column names. Now let's see practically how this import and export works. For that we need a Cassandra cluster. Uh, I have a 3-node Cassandra cluster running on my AWS setup. If you wanna know how to launch nodes in AWS and connect to them, you can watch my previous videos. So here, this is my Cassandra cluster. Let's check my whether my nodes are up or not, the status of them. We check the status of them by running a command called node tool status. It will give whether all the nodes are up or not. See here, all of my nodes are up and normal. These are the 3 nodes I'm using. And now, first of all, let's start with data import. I'm going to import a file. I have already created a file named. I have created a file. It was there in my software directory. We should go there and we can check it out there. And the file name is reservation.sql. In that file, I already wrote commands or queries for creating a key space and also for creating tables. I have wrote some queries and stored in that file. So after connecting to SQL, we can directly give source command with this particular file name which I have created already, so that as you know, using the source command, the users automatically connects to the SQL shell with the file. After this connection, the file is automatically executed. So all these queries in that particular file will get executed without any manual need. So I thought it might be better. So first of all, let's see the file location. I have stored it in software directory. So let's go there and list them. Yeah, these are the files in my directory. I'm going to, my file name is reservation.sql. Yeah, this is the file. I'm going to run it along with the source file. Let's check them. I have wrote a query for creating a key space and also for creating a table. Let's check them. But we can check them by giving more and the name of that file. See here, I have created a key space name reservation. Like I have wrote a query for that, so it will automatically will get executed with replication factor of 1, and I'm using simple strategy here, and I wrote queries for creating tables, for creating 4 tables. Yeah, this is what the data present in that reservation.sql file. After creating executing this file, I'm going to import data to the tables present in that file. My insert queries are present in this reservation.csv file. Let's check them all too, or else we can check them during our process. Let's go. Well, let's connect to SQL. SQL SH is nothing but it is a command line interface for interacting with Cassandra using SQL. Now I'm gonna give source and the name of the file which I have queries inserted previously. That is reservation dot SQL. So the queries in that file get executed and a key space and a table gets created here. Now let's describe key spaces so we can see a new key space named reservation. Let's check them. See here. This is the key space we have created, like we have given a query to create a reservation key space and it got created. Let's use that key space. And let's describe whether and check whether tables I have given 4 tables. Let's check them whether they got created or not. See, these are the four tables. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 tables are created. All these tables will be empty. So we have to insert some data. I'm going to insert into reservations by hotel date table from reservations.csv file. So let's exit from here and let's check the reservation.csv file once. I have wrote some insert queries in that file. So let's check it. Reservations.csv. See, all these are the insert queries are written. The top one here is the columns for these insert queries. So for that we have to write header equals to true, else the columns will not get imported. So just come out of it. And let's again connect to SQL SH. Okay, first let's clear the screen so everything will be clear for us. Present parking directory, yeah. And let's connect to SQL SH. and use key space reservation. And okay, let's import. Further, the commands we use, as I previously said, the same commands, but here we have to give names. The key space name is reservation, and the table to which we are importing data is reservation by hotel. Reservations underscore by underscore hotel underscore date. Okay, we are importing data to this table from, we should give the path of that file which we are importing. We should give that file path. And there should be the file name to here. The file name is reservations.csv. And here we should give inverted commas, else it will not work and the command will not get successfully execute. And we should also give header equals to true, else we can't import the column names and the query will not run. With header equals to true to import the column names. Enter. See, can you see here 99 rows imported from one file in 0.663 seconds, zero skip. All the rows have been inserted in this table. Name reservation by hotel date. Okay, let's check it once. For checking it, we use a command select star from the table name which we have done import previously. Actually, we shouldn't, in a real world we can't use, we can use, but we shouldn't use this command because it will hit every node, because data will be stored in different nodes if we give replication factor there. So it is not good because a coordinator node will hit every node, and at the end the coordinator node will suffer and it may face some issues. So in real world we shouldn't use such commands. See, 99 rows. This is the data which got imported. Previously this table used to be empty, now it got filled with 99 rows. Okay, let's insert into another table named guess. For that, it is also the same process, but here we should change because we are also doing import here. It is from same key space here. So we just need to change the table name and the file name. Here the table name to which we are doing import is guest. And the file name here is guest.csv. I also I created this guest.csv file and wrote some insert statements so that some rows may get imported into this. Okay, all the rows in that particular table will get imported. And the table name is guest.csv. And enter. Yeah, see, I wrote 10 insert statements in that file. So 10 rows imported from one file in 0.662 seconds. Zero skips. All rows have been executed. Okay, let's check the table. Select star from table name. That is nothing but guess. Yeah, see 10 rows. What it said here, 10 rows inputted. And here we can see 10 rows. These are the 10 rows which got imported from that gets.csv file. This is how we import data. Now let's see how export works here. I'm going to export whatever the data it is present in this guest table. I'm going to export it to a separate, I'll give a separate file name to that same part software, and I'll store it as December 19th guest list, something like that. I'll give a name. Okay. Okay, here we should change this to 2 because we are not doing importing here. We are not importing here. We are exporting from CQLSH to outside of CQLSH to a directory. I'm giving the name as December 19th guest list. Okay, guess. I'll give it as GUESTS. Yeah, we are copying from reservation key space from reservation key space, and the table name is guest, to the path to which the table values are getting imported. Okay, let's run this command and check it how it works. See here, 10 rows exported to one file in 1.210 seconds. Okay, let's come out of this and check. And before coming out of this, previously I've shown you like how many files are there in my previous software directory. Now we can see an extra file named December 19 guest. So let's come out of the SQL shell and check it out. List. Yeah, can you see here? I have got a I have got a file named December 19 underscore guest. This is what I have previously exported, right? Yeah, this is how we import and export data in Cassandra. We can use this import and export only when we have smaller data, because in my cluster I have only some 10 rows in this and 100 rows or 99 rows in other table. So we can use this only for smaller data, for importing and exporting only smaller data. We can use this import and export commands. If we have like very huge amount of data, that is like very bulk amount of data, we should use bulk load and bulk unload. We the command for that is ds bulk load and unload. If the data is very huge, we should use ds bulk. Okay, I'm gonna share about these in my future videos about the ds bulk load and unload. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.